Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Patek Philippe Nautilus series, a mechanical self-winding movement with date and chronograph, model number 5980/1AR. The case is made of steel and rose gold with a screw-down crown. There's a sapphire crystal case back, allowing you to see the movement while also maintaining superior water resistance down to 120 meters. The diameter, from 10 to 4 or 7 to 1, however you want to measure it, is 40.5 millimeters, rising to only a height of 12.2 millimeters in thickness. The dial is a blue gradient with gold applied hour markers with luminescent coating. Looking at the dial color and pattern, they have achieved a sunburst type of effect in spite of this lateral pattern going across the face. Speaking of the face, the contrast between the blue dial and the rose gold bordered hour index markers make the time extremely easy to read. Even in low light, the hour markers are easy to read as well, as the hour minute hand also hold the same luminance. Let me turn out the lights for just a moment here, so you can see it glow. And you can see the hour markers and the hands glowing equally. Brilliant. Turning the lights back on. The bezel is rose gold and domed, and is also fixed due to the nature of its shape on the case. Speaking of its shape, the octagonal form is reminiscent of the portholes found on transatlantic ocean liners, as described in the history of Patek's Nautilus line of timepieces. Truly a unique form for a unique watch. The crown allows you to change the time just like any other timepiece. There are also chrono pushers to control the chronograph, as is typical of any other chrono-style watch. I have already started it, and notice how the hands, if you have been watching since the beginning of the video, you'll notice that the hands at the 6 o'clock position have actually been moving this entire time. To change the date, there's a corrector just before the 8 o'clock position, which can be depressed using the supplied tool to advance the date. So allow me to demonstrate. Notice that it says the 10th today, and using the pusher advances the date forward. The movement is a caliber CH28520 C522 self-winding. It has a 60-minute and 12-hour mono counter with date. It also contains a Gyromax balance and Spiromax spring with central unidirectional winding rotor in 21K gold, allowing for an uninterrupted 45 to 55 hours of power reserve. Note that the Patek Philippe seal hallmark is visible as seen through the back of the watch case. Let me move my light here. The strap is of a steel and rose gold with a Nautilus fold-over clasp. This clamshell closure allows the clasp to hide and keep a low profile. The double deployment can also help maintain its size on smaller wrists, as say a Rolex Oyster clasp may feel more intrusive when worn tightly in comparison. Note that there are spaces among all of the links, ensuring that there are no pinching of hairs or skin when worn. Also note that there are high polished lines along the edges of each link. So it appears as if all of the links are glowing. The center links are high polish as well, with a satin finish on the steel. The links all taper smoothly and perfectly. I typically would not focus on the bracelet this much, but Patek Philippe have not overlooked any part of the experience of wearing this timepiece, and it shows, both in aesthetics and tactile sensation. Alright, and now to try on the watch. Alright, my wrist is rather average sized, so it is a bit loose on me. But yes, notice that the 12mm case size still leaves this watch, still rises above this watch at a very low profile above my wrist, making this a very attractive option for me, or anybody with long sleeves. So who is this watch for? As a chronograph watch, this is for people who need to keep track of time, say laps in a pool or a track, or timing even your next business meeting. This is an all-in-one device that has all the function you need while not compromising on style. The form and function shown here can really go for anybody really. So what are your thoughts on this watch? Leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear your thoughts, especially on this amazing blue dial. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.